Hello, good morning students. Welcome back to your grammar session. Now today we will start with our chapter number 16, that is tenses. Now we have already learned that verbs tells us about actions. Okay, now verbs is for example run, write, read, play, sing, dance, etc. Okay. Now first let us see few examples. Chetan makes good paintings. The girl is talking on the phone. The girl has been watching TV for an hour. Now, tense is a form of verbs which tells us whether something is happening now, that is in present, has already happened, that is in past, or it is going to happen, that is in future. Okay, tenses is a form of verb. What is tense? Tenses क्या है? वर्ब्स के फॉर्म है और वो हमें क्या बताता है कि कोई भी चीज़ जो है वो अभी हो रही है, ऑलरेडी हो चुकी है या फिर होने वाली है. ओके, सो सी फर्स्ट एग्जांपल. चेतन मेक्स गुड पेंटिंग्स. ओके, ही मेक्स, वी ऑलरेडी नो. ओके, नाउ द गर्ल इज टॉकिंग ऑन द फोन. ओके, टॉकिंग ऑन द फोन एंड द गर्ल हैज़ बीन वॉचिंग टीवी फॉर एन आवर. जो 1 घंटे से हो रहा है. ओके, शी इज ऑल्सो watching the TV. So this happens in the present. Okay. Now tenses are of 3 types. That is, first is present tense, second past tense, and third is future tense. Now we will see each and every tenses in detail. Now first we will see about present tense. Present tense means जो अभी हो रहा है वो, जो प्रेजेंट में हो रहा है वो. ओके, द प्रेजेंट टेंस वर्ब्स टेल्स अस व्हाट इज हैपनिंग नाउ और हैपेंस फ्रीक्वेंटली. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल सुशील वर्क्स इन अ हॉस्पिटल. ओके, हमें पता है सुशील कहाँ पे वर्क कर रहा है? हॉस्पिटल में. करिश्मा टेक्स हर डॉग फॉर अ वॉक. ओके, करिश्मा जो है अपने डॉग को कहाँ लेके जा रही है? वॉक पर. ओके, सो दैट इज इन द प्रेजेंट. ओके, और इट इज़ फ्रीक्वेंटली. लाइक सुशील जो है वो जॉब हॉस्पिटल में जॉब करता है, ही वर्क्स इन द हॉस्पिटल, दैट इज फॉर रेगुलर. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक दिन जाके अभी नहीं कर रहा है. ओके, ही इज कॉन्स्टेंटली फ्रीक्वेंटली गोइंग टू द हॉस्पिटल. एंड करिश्मा ऑल्सो फ्रीक्वेंटली टेक्स हर डॉग फॉर ए वॉक. ओके, नाउ इन दीज सेंटेंसेज द वर्ड वर्क्स एंड टेक्स shows that the action happens every day. है ना? This action is happening every day. Okay. Now the present tense is we add s or es to the verbs where there is a singular noun or the pronoun he, she, it. See, Sushil is a boy. Okay, he. So हम वहाँ पे क्या लगाएंगे? Works. Work के पीछे s. ओके, प्रेजेंट टेंस में हमेशा वर्ब के पीछे क्या लगता है? एस या फिर ई एस. ओके, एंड इट शुड बी इन अ सिंगुलर फॉर्म. नाउ सी द सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल. करिश्मा, करिश्मा इज अ गर्ल, शी. ओके, टेक्स, वी एडेड एस. ओके, बिहाइंड द वर्ड टेक. दिस इज बिकॉज इट इज अ करिश्मा एंड हर डॉग इज अ सिंगुलर. ओके, एक ही डॉग है, करिश्मा भी एक ही है. ओके, and es is added to the verbs that end in ch, sh, x or o. ओके, अगर कोई लेटर है जो ch है, sh, x है या फिर o से अगर एंड होता है तो हम वहाँ पे क्या लगाएंगे? es. फॉर एग्जाम्पल रजनीश गोज टू द पार्क. go, go. ओके, द लास्ट लेटर इज o, so we added es. ओके, so Rajneesh goes to the park. Similarly, look at the last example. This washing machine washes the clothes neatly. Okay, washes, wash के पीछे क्या लगाएंगे? es. Why? Because whenever there is sh we will add es, and the remaining 2 example it is like we added s. Okay, because it is a singular noun. For example, mother buys ice cream for the kids. Sagarika helps the blind man crossing the road. Okay, is that clear? Now we will talk about पास्ट टेंस. ओके, पास्ट टेंस मीन्स जो पास्ट में हो चुका है. ओके, जो ऑलरेडी हो चुका है. नाउ द पास्ट टेंस वर्ब्स tells us what has already happened. Okay, this could be of any time of the past. Okay, कब का भी हो सकता है, before 2 days or 2 months or 2 years. Okay, it is not exactly we can see कि कब का है. It can be like any time of the past. For example, Sushil worked in hospital. Karishma took her dog for a walk. Now in these sentences, the words worked and took shows that the action happened in the past. Okay, now in order to show actions in the past, we add ed to most of the verbs. Now for example, play, that is play, and if we add ed, then it becomes played. Now played is what? It already happened in the past. Now our second example, that is Sushil worked in hospital. Worked. Okay, work is work plus ed, that is worked. So with this word worked, we comes to know that this thing already happened in the past. Now some words change their spelling completely in the past form. Okay, जो पूरा जो वर्ब फॉर्म है उसके स्पेलिंग ही चेंज हो जाती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, माई अंकल बॉट ए क्यूट डॉल फॉर मी. ओके, माई अंकल बॉट ए क्यूट डॉल फॉर मी. सो अगर ये प्रेजेंट टेंस में होता तो ये क्या होता, बॉट की जगह पे बाय. ओके, बट इट एज इट इज इन द पास्ट फॉर्म, इट विल चेंज इन टू बॉट. द ट्रक ब्लू हॉर्न लाउडली. सो this is because in the past tense, that is the reason it is blew. Otherwise it would be blow. And I lost my wallet while I was traveling. Okay, I lost my means already lost. Okay, and when we are talking about at the on the spot, at the place, at the present, we will say lose instead of lost. Okay, and some verbs do not change their spelling at all in the past form. For example, I read the whole story yesterday. This is in the past form, read, read. But same thing if you are going to say in present tense, it will be I read the whole story yesterday. Okay, so the spelling is same, but when we are saying it in the present form, we have to use read, and when we are saying it in a past form, we will use read. Okay, now second example is these shoes fit me perfectly 2 years ago. Okay, now fit is, we cannot use it, we cannot say that fitted me, we always have to use fit. Okay, so there are some examples also, so we will just see two over here. Now we will talk about future tense. Future tense means जो अभी तक हुआ नहीं है लेकिन होने वाला है. Okay, the future tense verbs refer to the actions that will happen in the future. Okay, जो future में होने वाला है वो. Example, Sushil will work in a hospital. Okay, सुशील जो है वो कहाँ काम करेगा, हॉस्पिटल में. Okay, Karishma will take her dog for a walk. Okay, now in this sentence is the words will work and will take tells us that the action will happen in the future. Okay, future tense is quite easy. Okay, then he will do, will take, okay, will win, ऐसा सब जो words होते हैं वो क्या हमें बताते हैं, the things is yet to happen. Okay, but maybe it will happen in the future. Okay, now look at the table. Okay, it is given the base form and the past form. Okay, so this in the base form, if we are saying begin, then in the past form we will say begun. Now blow, blew, break, broke, bring, brought, buy, bought, fall, fell. Okay, eat, ate, grow, grew, lose, lost, know, knew, hear, heard, sleep, slept. Okay, And now always remember there is no future form of the verbs. Okay, future form of the words कुछ है ही नहीं. Now we indicate future time using will, shall with the present form of verbs. Okay, हम जो है वो क्या करते हैं, फ्यूचर का ऐसा कोई स्पेशल वर्ब है ही नहीं इंडिकेट करने के लिए. ओके, वी जस्ट यूज सिंपल प्रेजेंट फॉर्म विथ विल और शेल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही विल डू ऑल द हाउस होल्ड वर्क. ओके, विल डू. I will take a flight to Mumbai. The conference will take place in Kerala. Okay, see, we are adding will. You will win if you practice smartly. The coming Wednesday will fall on 26 March. Okay, so see, the do, take, win, fall, that is all in the present form. But what we did, if we want to say that in the future, we will add will or shall with them. Okay. Thank you.